Free money for your business. No repayment, no equity. Sounds like a scam, but grants are real, and most founders never apply because they believe a myth that kills their chances before they even start. I'm going to show you 5 grants that you can actually apply for, plus what most people get completely wrong about, where this money comes from. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we help first-time founders get a business off the ground without all the confusion. I'm also going to clear up the single biggest myth about grants, so you don't waste hours chasing the wrong thing. Let's get into it. What a business grant really is. A grant is money awarded to your business that you don't repay and you don't give up any ownership for. It sounds amazing, and it is, but grants are competitive, and a lot of them have a specific focus, like women-owned businesses or businesses in a certain city. Now, here's the biggest myth that I need to kill right away. The federal government does not hand out free grants to start a regular business. If you ever see an ad promising a fast government grant, if you just pay a small fee, that's a scam, full stop. Real grants come from companies, nonprofits, and local programs, and applying is always free. And one more thing before we start. Most grant programs want you set up as a real registered business first, usually an LLC, before you can even apply. Grant number 1, the Amber Grant. Now, this is one of the easiest to apply for and one of the best known out there. It's run by an organization called Women's Net, and it's for women entrepreneurs at any stage, including before you've even made a single dollar. Now, here's what makes it so good. They give out $10,000 grants every single month, and every monthly winner is automatically in the running for the bigger year-end grant worth up to $50,000. The application is short, just a few questions about you and your business, and there's a small $15 application fee. If you're a woman starting an LLC, this should be at the very top of your list. You apply right on their website, and that one application puts you in the running for all of it. Number 2, the NASE Growth Grant. NASE stands for National Association for the Self-Employed, and this one is open to just about any self-employed person, no matter your industry or your background. That makes it a great fit if you don't match the focus of the more specific grants out there. The grant is worth up to $4,000, and you can put it towards real business needs like equipment, marketing, or hiring some help. Now, here's the one catch that you need to know. You have to be an NASE member to apply, and membership runs about $120 a year. The grant is far bigger than the membership cost, but I want you going in with your eyes open. The good news is they review applications throughout the year, so you're not stuck waiting on a single deadline. Set your business up the right way. Now, before you even apply for any of these grants, you need to make sure that your business is actually set up the right way. And that starts with forming an LLC. So an LLC keeps your personal assets separate from your business. And most grant programs require you to have one anyway. That's why I recommend Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands isn't just an LLC service. It's a full business builder. So when you sign up, you're getting your LLC formation plus a free personalized business plan, a business coaching program, access to legal documents, and even invoicing and bookkeeping tools. It's basically everything that you need to set your business up for success, all in one dashboard. I got you guys an exclusive 35% discount on their higher tier plan. Just use the link down in the description below to get started with Tailor Brands today. All right, so if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description for Tailor Brands, it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. Let's quickly walk through how to get started with Tailor Brands to set up your LLC. So first things first, when you get to this page, you just select the state that you're forming your LLC in. More often than not, it makes the most sense to just choose the state that you live and do business in. So I live in California, I'll go ahead and select that and click Get Started. Next, it's gonna ask us what name we're thinking about for our LLC. Let's say I wanna start a bakery and I would call it Eric's Bakery. And then we'll go ahead and click Continue. It's not liking the apostrophe there, so we'll just call it Eric's Bakery like that and click Continue. Now it's asking us what industry this is in. So this is a bakery, so I'll just type in bakery and we'll go ahead and select it. Go ahead and click it. There we go. And we'll go ahead and click Next. Now, where are you in your business journey? Right now, I'll go ahead and just select that this is just an idea. So we'll go ahead and select that and click next. Have you formed or run a business before? I'm gonna say this is my first time, and then it'll probably help guide me a little bit more. How many owners will your LLC have? I'll say just me for now. How did you discover Tailor Brands? YouTube, thanks to the LLC Deals channel. And we'll go ahead and click next. Okay, and now they're gonna offer some free on-demand coaching. So we'll go ahead and click next. Here it's asking for our contact information. So we can either log in with Google or go ahead and fill out this information ourselves. Once we go ahead and fill that information out, we'll go ahead and click next. All right, now you can see up here, we are on to section 2 out of 3. So it's saying keep your social security number private with an EIN, so they'll help you get your EIN. Now you can get your own ERN from the IRS for free, but Tailor Brands will help you do it. Now, I do believe there is an extra charge for this, so let's go ahead and just check that out. They're even saying right here, can I do it myself? You know, they're saying the process can be tricky, etc. It's really not all that hard, but we'll go ahead and for now, keep that on there just to see if there is a charge here at the end. All right, now it's asking if we want to keep our LLC in good standing with their annual compliance. Again, this is probably an additional charge. We'll go ahead and select that now so you can see what it costs there at the end. Go ahead and click next. It's asking if we want to elevate our professional image with a branding toolkit. So you get a domain, you can create logos, a website, and an online store, and a range of other essential tools all in one place. Again, if you need all that stuff, this is a great place just to get it all done in one stop. So for now, again, we'll go ahead and select that just so you can see what it costs here once we get to the checkout. And then it's asking if you want to skip the line and get it formed faster. We'll go ahead and select the 2 weeks here, probably save at least $100 there. We'll go ahead and click next. Now it's asking if you want to establish our LLC rules with an operating agreement. Again, we'll let it do it so you can see what it costs. And now it's asking if we want this formation kit here. So what we can go ahead and do is, so this is just a nice kind of pretty binder to keep all your stuff together. If you want that, you can get it. I believe it's about $100. I'm gonna go ahead and select no for now. We'll go ahead and select it so I can confirm and let you know exactly how much it costs here at the end. And we'll go ahead and click next. Here it's saying don't miss any important updates and notifications about your business. Get text notifications about your LLC status, compliance. We'll go ahead and select that again so you can see what this costs. Select next. Okay, here we go. Now it's time to review and check out. So it is selecting our Elite LLC plan, which is $249 plus a $50 Amazon gift card. You get expedited processing, annual compliance, an operating agreement, online business and branding tools, business coaching program, plus the $75 California state fees. You would pay the $75 regardless of if you fill this out yourself. So you're paying the $249 for all of this stuff, as well as them forming it for you, and you have to pay that California state fees regardless. They're throwing in invoicing and bookkeeping, so you can try it free for 30 days, $39 per month after that. Again, here's some of the other things that I talked about, like the EIN, that is an additional $100, LLC formation kit, that is an additional $99 as well. So again, if you want to, you can uncheck that stuff here. And also what you can go ahead and do is click here to see other options. And this is where you can see their different plans. So the Elite plan is their top of the line plan right here. They also have the Essentials plan, which is $199 per year, or the Light plan, which is free. Again, you just pay that state fees regardless of which plan you're on. So we'll go ahead and just keep this one recommended based on what it gave us for our setup quiz. And once you're ready to go, just click on continue to payment and check out. Again, click the link down in the description to get started with Tailor Brands. All right, grant number 3, Hello Alice. Now this one works a little differently from the others. Hello Alice is a free platform that teams up with big companies to offer grants to small businesses all year long. So instead of one single grant, it's really a steady stream of them, with new programs opening up on a regular basis. The awards usually run anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 depending on the sponsor, and a lot of them are open to any for-profit business in the US. Grant number 4, Comcast Rise. This is a program from Comcast built for small businesses with a real focus on women, minority, and veteran-owned companies. And the package is genuinely valuable. You're looking at a $10,000 cash award, plus extras like marketing help, technology upgrades, and professional media production for your business. There are 2 things that you need to know. First, it runs in specific cities at a time, so you'll want to check whether your area is included in the current round. Second, it opens on a schedule, usually around the middle of the year, so timing really matters here. Grant number 5 is less of a single grant and more of a gold mine that most people walk right past. And that's the state and local grants. Almost every state has an economic development office, and plenty of cities and countries run their own small business grant programs as well. These get way less attention than the big national contests, which means a lot less competition for you. Here's how to find them. Search your state's name plus small business grant in the current year, and check your state's economic development website. You can also visit your local small business development center, which is a free service that'll point you straight to programs in your area. The awards range from $1,000 all the way up to $50,000 or more in some states. And because they're local, your odds are often a whole lot better than going up against the entire country. How to actually win one. Apply to several programs over the next few months and keep your materials ready to go. A short business plan, your basic numbers, and a clear story about what you're building and why it matters. And 2 honest warnings here. 1, these are competitive. So think of a grant as a nice bonus on top of your plan, not the whole plan itself. 2, never pay a company that promises to land you a government grant. Real grants just don't work that way. Put your energy into the legit programs that we just covered and keep applying. So there's 5 real grants to help you start your LLC, plus a simple plan to actually go after them. Now, if you want to get started with Tailor Brands or any other products that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.